So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is you have to run this office setup.exe. I will give this file in description. You can download it from there. Once you download it, just right click it and open it or run as administrator, and it will start installing in your PC. And once it completes installing, you can just restart your PC and then check if the installation completes. After installation completes, you can run the office file, and from there you can use every other application like Microsoft Word, presentation, or anything you want. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.